It's a 2013 Chevrolet Avalanche. Part truck and part SUV, this Avalanche will never leave you wanting. It brings both capability and good looks to your driveway. The interior is loaded with great technological features, like a reverse sensing system and an emergency communication system. Safety should never be overlooked. And with standard multiple airbags, you can leave the worrying to your trusty truck. Think outside the box. Take this Avalanche for a test drive today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.
For value.